हाय व्यूअर्स।
बास्केट इतना खूबसूरत है तो लोगों के दिल जीतेगा।
This one.
Yeah, the foam. These are the flowers. This is a basket.
हम पहले क्या करेंगे, एक मेजरमेंट हाइट ले लो अंदर है। ओके,
So this is Shantilal. He's a very famous.
Hi.
He's a very famous bouquet decorator. He builds all the way from the scratch and makes it much more beautiful in the end, which I'll just show it to you guys once it is done. So let's just follow the process. ये आप नॉट लगा रहे हैं ना पूरा
हाँ।
अटैच करने के लिए।
हाँ हाँ, इसलिए तो टाइट बैठेगा बस।
हाँ। ये क्या है शांतनु भाई? ये वाला?
इसको मोरी बोलते हैं, मोरी।
ओके।
वो अभी बोटानी के लिए तो मुझे भी पता नहीं है।
हाँ।
वो जो मार्केट में बोलते हैं वही मिलेगा। नाइट बस है ना?
हाँ इतना हाइट बस है, ठीक एकदम मतलब वो हाइट से चारों तरफ हम स्प्रेड हो जाएंगे। खाली वो बास्केट का है ना एडजस्ट इतना सामने आने दो, 3 इंचेस से बाहर आने दो।
He always tries to guide a little bit here and there, which he has a different ideas towards it.
तो ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, ये एक छोटा सा फ्लावर का पहाड़ है,
हाँ।
खूबसूरत फ्लावर का पहाड़ है। ये हमारा खास दोस्त है श्री शांतिलाल फ्रॉम मुंबई। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस वाला है, बहुत तजुर्बा आदमी है और अच्छे से ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर से बुकेस बनाता है, लोगों के दिल जीतता है।
Good perfectionist in making bouquets, though.
जिंदगी में
He's been
हमेशा
doing.
खुश रहता है, लोगों को खुश भी करता है। इनका काम वही है बस। जो लोग नाराज रहता है उनको फूलों का गुलदस्ता देके खुश करता है। तो इसका नाम भी शांतिलाल है, बहुत शांति से रहता है।
Nice description, Dad. Good one. So he's actually a very good professional in making bouquets. I've been seeing him since childhood. He's been doing it great. And everyone who's having such sort of an experience always try to push it and make it to a better level. So let me just go through it and show you the process going on. So this is the basket which has been completely covered with the leaves right now, and you see now wherever you have a little bit of spacing, that is where the flowers would actually come into it. So these are liliums which are going on top. I think there'll be a couple of other flowers like roses would be going on it.
इतना तो पूरा मिक्स में ले लो, तो डाल नीचे जो आपको टाइट में रहता है, 50% जो टाइट में जो रहेगा। ये चीज़ डाल।
This is super यार।
Yeah, red roses are beautiful.
बहुत लाइक है मेरे को कलर इतना बहुत। वो वाला और ये वाला मेरा चॉइस कलर और पीच कलर का
Peach.
लिलियम ओपन होने के बाद पेटल्स है ना ऐसा पीछे बेंड होता है,
हाँ।
तो समझ लीजिए अब तब ये रोज दिखना है तो लिलियम के साथ रहना चाहिए।
So once you need to get filling done from one color so that you have an idea how it is spread across. The moment that is done, we're gonna switch to another color of rose and try to fill it in between. That is how it is, Shantanu bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah. And final, we're gonna come up towards the red rose. filling is going in along with the white and the pink.
This is called statistics.
What do you call that?
From statistics.
Okay.
These flowers actually from the Kashmir. का आएगा और उस पहले हाथ लगाएगा. हाथ लगाने के बाद भी वो सोचेगा ये पेपर फ्लावर्स है, ओरिजिनल नहीं है. Then
The thing that is
मतलब ऐसा लगता है
artificial flowers.
yeah, because many people they don't know about this flower.
Okay.
ऐसे में।
Touch and see.
Yeah.
If you touch also, it looks like a paper flower.
Yeah, it looks like a paper flower, but it is a natural one. Yeah. Bouquet making is truly an art. End of the day,
Yeah.
people with the right skills can make this, because you need to have an idea how to segregate, how to make a pattern out of it, what flowers goes in, so what should be done. Everything has to be pre-planned. It's more about an imagination that you bring into picture. So if you keep doing it once, twice, I mean, anyone can create, but moreover, you need to have an idea how to get that finished product done. That's where the actual bouquet bloom comes up.
Main important is color combination.
Color combination, yes.
People they'll make, anybody can make the flower, but color combination is
Correct.
more important. Then
That-
only that delicate look will come. Otherwise, you can't.
Or else, that is where the creativity comes into the picture. Yeah. What do you call that?
Dollar leaves.
Dollar leaves.
Scientific name is eucalyptus.
Okay.
Eucalyptus.
So,
This is one of the variety
decoration
of leaves which is basically used for decoration. Where is it from?
Ooty.
Ooty. Okay. This is basically grown in Ooty. Moreover, this particular plant, and there's another flower called carnations, which most of them come from there because of the cold weather. What do you call this, Dad?
Melclodis.
Okay.
Scientific name is Melclodis. Local persons called bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay. Yeah, look at this guy. Where do you want to go? Luke? So, these are basically the semi-bloom flowers, what you see over here. This is done just one day prior to any occasion, so that the next day you get a complete bloom. And so very important that you should try to keep this in a dark place if you have an occasion quite late, so that the flowers won't completely bloom. So if you see now, it is completely filled. You wouldn't see any foam nor the basket. The basket just acts like a support, but rest of it is completely filled. And can you guys tell how beautiful it looks? It looks brilliant, right? This is semi-bloom flowers right now. So tomorrow I'll show you the same. You see the transition how the flowers would have bloomed. So this particular stem would have become somewhat like this, but it'll be complete bloom. The rose will open up completely, which will look fab. बहुत अच्छा काम है शांतनु भैया.
Thanks.
Look at this lady flaunting towards the bouquet. Hi.
ಹಾಯ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿ सब्सक्राइब ಮಾಡಿ वायरल ಮಾಡಿ हमारा वीडियो का ये मेरा वाला बुके है माय नेम इज क्यूटी जॉनी जॉक्सन हाय बेस्ट ऑफ लक हैव a good day.
So you see, Janet was completely praising her bouquet today. So that's quite funny, guys. Okay, this is the final product that you see. If you notice that all the flowers have been completely bloomed and the entire basket is completely filled now. You see how colorful it looks?
Hi viewers, this is a completely openly bloomed off basket. The beautiful flowers, just like आपको कल ने बताया था कि just like एक flowers का ship जैसे टाइटैनिक इसका नाम रखा था. देखिए इतना लिलियम्स भी, रोजेस भी, एस्टोमेरिया, स्टैटिक्स, डॉलर लीव्स, इतना वेराइटीज ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड फिलर्स मिला हुआ है बास्केट, इतना खूबसूरत है तो लोगों के दिल जीतेगा। आप देख लीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, everyone, guys. Hope you guys love the content and see you again for the next video.